Hey everybody, got a quick electronic tool haul to do from Walmart. This has to do with the DOSIS 3.1 gigabyte modem. It only has 2 Ethernet ports. My original panoramic modem had 4, so I needed an extender or a switch that has more than 4 Ethernet ports on it. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hi everybody. So this is just going to be a quick look video. I will do the unboxing of one of these because all 3 of these items are the same item, so I'll do an unboxing video separate. This is all Walmart had. I needed something to be able to connect the other 3 or 4 Ethernet cables that I had plugged in to my old panoramic really large modem for my internet. I upgraded my internet to gigabyte speed, so I needed to get a new modem, which it didn't cost me anything. I just upgraded to the new one for free. Problem is the old one had 4 Ethernet ports. The new one only has 2. The old one didn't have any phone line Ethernet plugs. The new one has Ethernet plugs specifically for phone. It's got 2 of them, and then it's got 2 regular Ethernet internet ports. So that doesn't do me any good. So I picked up this Netgear 5-port gigabyte Ethernet switch commutator Ethernet gigabyte 5 ports. I guess that's in Spanish. Instant internet connectivity, stylish design, reliable performance, wall mount. It is model number GS605, Greg Sam 605. It is made by Netgear. It says Netgear green, 2-year warranty. On the side, standard compliance, IEEE 802.3i 10 base T Ethernet, IEEE 802.3U 100 base TX fast Ethernet, IEEE 802.3AB 1000 base T gigabyte Ethernet, and IEEE 802.3AZ energy efficient Ethernet. Honors IEEE 802.1P and DSCP priority tags. Jumbo frame support up to 9,216 bytes. And operating temperature 0 to 40 Celsius or 32 to 104 Fahrenheit. Operating humidity is 10% to 90% non-condensing. Performance bandwidth 10 gigabytes per second non-blocking. Forward rate 10 megabytes per second port, 14,880 PPS, 100 megabytes per second port, 1,048,800 PPS, and 1,000 megabytes per second port, 1,000,000. Oh, the other one was 148,800. This one's 488,800 PPS. MAC address database 2K. This comes with a system power, link and activity indicators per port, 3.5 watt 5 volt DC at 0.7 amps. In the unboxing, I am not going to give all these specs. Well, I might. I don't know. It depends. But just a quick look. I got 3 of them. They were $23.88 a piece. It was like $76 out the door. 2 of them are going to be for the office. One's going to be for my extender in the bedroom, just in case. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Comments, criticisms down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Today is Monday, December 23rd, 2019. Hope everybody has a great holiday and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll see you guys on the next video.
Peace.